Hello everyone, my name is Isabel and welcome back to my personal finance channel, Your Friendly Budgetarian. Hi, so if you are new here in my channel, I have been creating personal finance videos as well as documenting my path towards financial freedom, and I'm starting it off by paying 6 figures worth of student loans. So if you want to follow along, please the subscribe button down below. Alright, so finally I am going to be doing my net worth update for the month of March. I know it's been a long time coming, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so this is the overview of my net worth. As I have kind of guessed, I know that it should increase for the month of March because even though technically with all the market being down and stuff, I've still been putting money towards my student loans, and actually it happened in by the start of April, but I am finally down to one student loan, and I'm so happy about that. I'm probably gonna be showing a separate video for that, and yeah, I'll explain basically on like how it went down to just one loan, and then maybe my plans once I become debt free and all that stuff. But for now, this is the overview, so I will talk to each of these categories in the next clip. Okay, so for my first student loan, I have by the start of the year, I think I had how much was it? 10,500 or something like that. Let's see. No, 13,500. And I am down to, by the end of March, I was only down to $2,300, which I actually already paid off at the start of April. And then, so now I'm down to my one student loan, which is $29,000. I had a goal of reaching at least 30,000 exactly back at the end of February, but unfortunately I wasn't able to meet it, but that's fine, you know, as long as we're making progress. So that's that. For my checkings rollover, I typically, let me just go ahead and just hide the previous months, or at least maybe the January one, so I can have a comparison. Let's do that. Okay, there. And then I can zoom it in even further. There we go. So this is the column C is for my February column, and then column D is my March column. So we can compare and see how much it was. So, there. So my checkings rollover is $500.66. And the thing is, my goal is to always leave at least a $500 amount in my checkings as a buffer. So just in case if there's any unexpected payments that I have to do, at least I have $500 in it. So I don't really leave a lot of money in my checkings account. I do have some money saved up in my M1 Finance Spend, which is a high yield savings account version of the M1 Finance. So that's where I leave my money because that's where the money grows, and not in my checkings account. So that's why. So hence with my high yield savings account, so I have M1 Spend plus Ally. I previously used Ally last year, but because they only have 0.5% interest rate, that's why I moved to M1 Spend Plus, because they have 1% at least for a year, and it's free for a year. And then after that you have to pay. So we'll see how things goes, and if the amount of money that I have to pay for that Spend Plus account is you know, worth it, then maybe I'll keep it. If not, then I'll probably just move back to Ally, because I actually liked Ally. Anyway, so going off the tangent here, I added about, I think it was $200, and it grew some almost about $4 in interest. So now it's $5,463.15. I'm still kind of jumping to see if I would use that money to speed up the process of paying off my student loans, because I'm like really this close, and I feel like if I just want to just pay it off right away, then maybe I will. But I'm just waiting until what happens with the forbearance and see if the government will continue to extend it, which I think they will, but we'll see. Money market account, I don't have anything in it right now. I actually transferred it all to the M1 Spend Plus. For my brokerage accounts, I do have two. I have the M1 Finance and my Wealthfront, which was my original brokerage account. So I'm still keeping things in there. Now it's about $6,018.75. I think I put in 100 or 150. I completely forgot because it's been a while since I did my March budget closeout. But I will link my budget closeout video for March. I will link it in the description box below, so you guys will see how much I've contributed with regards to my savings and investments. For crypto, I believe I put in $20. It really was a big jump. I was surprised, but right now, as of today, it's not, well, today though, I did put $10. So that's for my April, that's for the month of April, but I mean, it's $120.59. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's the value right now, even with me putting $10 this morning. So yeah. HSA $600. I put in, how much did I put? $150, but I don't know if I told you this, guys, but my employer actually contributes $75 per month. So, and I looked it up. I didn't know that employer contribution will be part of like my contribution for the whole year of my HSA account. So meaning, if the max for single filers is $3,600, I think, because they contribute $75 per month, which is, I believe, $900. Correct me if I'm wrong with my calculation. So that means $3,600 minus $900. So whatever that amount is the one that I can contribute, basically. So I'm hoping, I feel like I could probably just max it out. So we'll see. If I do have extra money by the end of the year, then I'll probably just max it out. Anyways, in cash, I only have $66 in my wallet. So overall, for my liquid assets, I have $12,763.71, which is actually pretty good, considering the fact that, again, I think it kind of increased a little bit in March, by the beginning of March, so it was a good start. And now it's a little bit declining again, but you know, we're in it for the long run, so you don't really have to worry about that for now for as much. Next is for my retirement. For my Roth / traditional IRA, I have $16,022.50. So that's increase of almost about $1,000. Even though technically I've only put $500 for that, so I'm really happy. For my TSP / 401k, it's $32,247.70. I actually just checked this morning again. I think it was down to almost $600, $500. So hopefully by the end of April it will increase back up again, but we'll see. So now it's down to like 31,000 something, but whatever. Anyway, so my total is $48,270.20. I can't wait to hit that $50,000 mark for my retirement account, and yeah, hopefully this April. So So overall, I have for my total assets is $61,033.91. I finally reached the $60,000 mark, so I'm happy about that. It might have gone down by the start of April, but that's fine. But I was so happy when I was calculating my total assets. I'm like, I'm rich by $60,000. But with regards to my liabilities, so obviously with my $31,300 student loans, so my total net worth is $29,733.91. I almost reached 30,000, but it's totally fine. So my net worth changed to $7,779.93, which is pretty good considering the fact that I have paid $3,500 for my student loans in March. So meaning almost the other $3,500 is like my contributions plus the growth in my net worth, which I'm really happy about. And up to date, or year to date, my net worth change is $10,784.52. So this is the complete picture of my net worth since I started tracking my net worth. I do want to keep on including the original net worth since back in January of 2021. So I started with negative $73,724.75, and now the tables have turned because I am now on the positive end of my net worth, and it's been growing to $29,733.91 to be exact. But yeah, I'm just really happy. I am finally, out of the negatives. I mean, I've been out even since October, but it just feels kind of more surreal now, knowing that I'm really close to paying off my loans, and finally I don't have to spend like almost half of my paycheck towards student loans. I can finally enjoy it myself, or maybe I can, just enjoy investing some more and having some more quality time with my fiance, my dogs, my family, my loved ones, and not think about this over my head and stuff. Yeah, that is it for my net worth. I will probably create a separate account, or a video for my debt payoff update. I try to create one whenever there are like big milestones that I achieve, and now that I'm off to one big chunk of student loans, then I will probably let you guys know what my plans will be. And then also watch out for my quarter one financial goals tracker and see how far I am with my money goals for this. If you guys are interested in knowing more on how I do my finances, please click the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you guys will be notified as soon as I upload my next video. And with that said, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!